Hello everyone, this is AT from FOREXpreparation.com. Today is Thursday, the 1st of November 2007, and we're looking at the US dollar Japanese yen currency pair. The time scale is 1 hour. Okay, what we had happening today was what actually I was talking about yesterday, or in other words, if we go to a 8-hour time scale, we can see that we had this pattern completed already, which is a bearish continuation pattern in our case, and this is the parent pattern. Okay, so the thing that we should be looking at right now is to see a break below this level here of 114.50, which is the lower boundary of our channel, and then if we see such a break below this boundary, we might be considering taking a sell order if we have other confirmations coming by, for example the 1 hour chart, and this is going to be a break below this support level, which is a little bit further down than where our lower boundary of the price channel is located. And then another good thing to keep in mind is for example, go to a smaller time scale and see whether we don't have any divergences forming on the relative strength indicator and our chart, as is the case here. Let me show you. So we have a divergence between our price chart and the relative strength indicator. In most cases, such divergences should be neglected because we have an already established downtrend, but you can see that that divergence leads to a buying pressure here, and it is pulling the pair to reach that resistance level set by this continuation triangle pattern here. Okay, if we turn our attention to another currency pair, namely the British pounds US dollar, we can see something opposite happening here. We had a bullish behavior this morning, but right now what we see on this chart is another divergence which has been formed since yesterday between the relative strength indicator and our price chart. Now you can see more clearly what I mean here, and it is good to notice that if we have a break below this area here of 2775, then we should be expecting to see further declines down, since this is going to be a break below a support area formed by these two lows here. And then another thing to notice here is that you always have to keep in mind that divergences are not very potent in strong up or down trends. So in order to be more sure and more precisely place orders, you don't have to be taking advantage of all the possibilities that are on the forex market, because in this way you can get burned very easily. So you should be very careful in your predictions and very precise at the same time. So I recommend that at least if you are considering to place a sell order, which in our case is going to be against most of the technical analysis rules, since we are in a major uptrend, but if you forget about this thing and you have or your other indicators telling that it's time to sell this currency pair and it's over evaluated, then you should wait first to see a break below this level of 2700, and then you have to turn your attention to the daily chart and see whether you can spot another major breach of important trend line, and this is going to be this level here of 2500, which is also a psychological barrier. But once again, as I said, it's not a good time to place sell orders, because we have a break above this important high here, which was set on 2600 by this major peak, and it is better if we are a better thing to do is if you're just expecting to see a buying opportunity on first spot it on a shorter term time scale, for example 1 hour, or even if you're a speculator you can be looking at 5 or 15 minutes time scales. So just be very careful, and pretty much today what we can see is a decline up to this lower boundary here, but again I don't advise that you trade you take long positions. Thank you very much.